Presenting the 2004 Saturn Ion. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: passenger vanity mirror, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, driver vanity mirror, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, and variable speed intermittent wipers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.